Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video, guys, we will cover super helpful information. If you guys have a code P0113 and you guys have a 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, we'll show you how to fix that. That same engine, guys, that 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, you can find the same engine used in Doodge Dart, Chrysler 200, Jeep Cherokee, Renegade, Compass. You can find Fiat Toro and Fiat 500X, guys. Super popular engine, guys. And that video, guys, will relate to all these vehicles. So if you have that code, guys, you may experience in your car not having enough power, not running correctly, using more fuel, guys, engine light will be on and rough idle could be present as well. Now, quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one right here, guys, we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why, guys? Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. We need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, scanners that we use, check out the link in the description of the video below. All that will be there, guys, for your convenience. So this is the scanner that we'll be using, guys. It's a very inexpensive scanner. You can find the link in the description of the video below. This is the engine right here, 2.4 Multiair engine. This is actually the original cover, but we have one painted, so we can swap them sometimes. And I will go ahead, guys, pour the scanner, start the car, and show you guys what to look for now. Let me do that quick. We need to find the OBD port, of your vehicle. Find the OBD port right here and plug it in. Perfect. Once you plug it in, guys, you will see the scanner will light up. Now I'm going to come inside, and I'm going to, guys, go ahead and start the vehicle. I'll start the vehicle, and I want to show you guys how the engine light will be on. So check it out now. So engine light is on. I'll turn the car off. I'll turn the ignition back on without the car running. Right here, guys, we're going to go ahead, and scan now the computer and see what codes we have. We'll click OBD. It'll take just a little bit of time, and I'll show you guys how to test that sensor and verify that it's not working. So not very complicated, guys. Let me show you now. Right here, it's going to say, that we have one code. Perfect. Erase down. Enter here. We will erase it later. We will enter the computer now, and we're going to, guys, go ahead and read the codes now. Let me show you quick. We'll click read codes, and the code that we have, guys, you're going to notice it, P0113 intake air temperature sensor. Now, this is a very important code because simply, guys, due to the fact, that that car actually does not have a mass airflow sensor. It uses the intake temperature sensor, guys, and the map sensor to actually know how much air it's getting. So what we can do now, you can go back, click go back, and we're going to see live data. Under live data, you can see if that sensor is actually showing any value, if it's working or if it's not. So let's going to do that now, guys. It's going to take just a little bit of time. What it's doing now, it's actually reading all the sensors, and it's going to let us know the information for every single sensor in the engine. Pretty much you can see pretty much anything, guys. So click view data, complete data set, and this scanner, that's why I like it. If you guys go to the second page, usually you will see IAT. This is the intake air temperature. It says -40 Celsius. There is no way it's -40, guys. Outside right now, it's probably Celsius about 10 degrees in the shop. So I'll go ahead, turn the car off, we'll exit, and I'll show you what we need to fix, guys. Right here now, guys, if you open the hood, this is your engine right here, and let me show you, guys. If you come, this is your intake boot, this is your throttle body right there, this is your intake temperature sensor, guys. So check your wire, check that it's plugged in, make sure it's not broken, reconnect everything, guys. If that doesn't take care of the problem, replace the sensor. We have the video on the channel that explains how to actually go ahead and replace it, guys. It's not very complicated, but you have to know, otherwise you can break your intake pipe there. So we'll go ahead and replace ours now. We went ahead and we replaced the sensor, guys, and now I'm going inside and I want to show you guys, what we'll be doing now first. We will turn the ignition back on. We need the ignition, otherwise we cannot clear the codes. So we'll go ahead, clear the codes, but before I do, I'm going to complete data set. And I want to see, guys, if that sensor is working even without clearing the code. So let's check it out now. Check it out, intake air temperature sensor 15, guys. So it's definitely working. What we're going to do now, we'll go ahead, click back until we click erase codes, erase trouble codes, erase done. And if I restart the car now, the engine light shouldn't be on. Check it out. So that definitely took care of our problem, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.